a Firebird tutorial. So these are the stretches you need to know in order to do a Firebird. Let's get started. A stretch you can start with is you're going to reach out and touch the floor, and then you're going to bring your leg up and you're going to kick it. If you have obviously overextended split, you're going to kick it back here, and if you don't, you can always stay down here. We're going to do 5 of these on each side. Okay, switch. Okay, another stretch that is really good to get your splits down, it's always a lunge. I recommend to hold this for up to like 20 seconds. Once you have that, you can obviously get into a split. Having your over splits is really mandatory. And then this really helps, bending your leg and arching back. I'd recommend to hold that stretch for about 20 seconds or more. So once you did that, you can always do an over split, which is also really good, a really good stretch. Another one I also recommend is grabbing your leg and arching back, holding that for up to 10 to 20 seconds, and this up to 10 to 20 seconds. If you don't have that stretch, you can always be over here. Okay, so once you stretch your legs, we need to stretch our back. So you're going to go into a bridge. There's several variations you can do of a bridge, but we're gonna do one with straight legs, and we're gonna hold this for about 10 seconds. You can always hold it more. You can bend your legs into the bridge to get a deeper stretch. You can hold that about 10 to 20 seconds, and then you get out of it. There we go. Okay. So after you've done all those stretches, we're going to learn how to do our Firebird. So you have to swing your leg up in the Firebird, except your leg will be more in an attitude or more bent, and you're going to be hitting it up there. So as you're doing that, this foot is jumping off the ground and you're swinging it up. And this all happens in one step, which is how you get your Firebird. Including that, you are also arching back. So once you put that all together, you've got your jump. You can always land in a fifth position, but there's not necessary landing. Another tip on Firebirds is when you can always practice your kicks, making sure you can swing it, and then making sure your feet kind of separate. So trying these jumps, the height of your jump really matters, and connecting all those steps together.